Hello again, my dear friends. How are you? Welcome again to my channel. I am Constantine and I am martial artist. Today the weather is beautiful, so we are moving out, and I will show to you my first self-defense lesson. The Nunchaku, sometimes nunchucks or chuka sticks or karate sticks. Is a traditional Okinawa martial arts weapon consisting by two sticks, each connected at one end by a short metal chain or a rope. Nunchaku are made from wood, foam, plastic or metal. The nunchaku are made from foam is most useful for the beginners for don't have accidents while they practice. This weapon is really dangerous and is illegal. I don't know what law is for each country. I made this video for educational reasons only. If you want to use those weapons, you use it with your own responsibility. Okay guys, the first thing I want to tell is you must hold this weapon like this. You can practice a little that move. Hello again, my dear friends. Hello to everyone. My name is Constantine. I am martial artist. I am a gymnast too. Welcome to my channel. I made this channel because I share my knowledge in martial arts and gymnast with you. I made this channel also because I encourage you to put gymnast and martial arts in your life. I have already started my training at a very young age, watching Bruce Lee movies, Jackie Chan movies. I have a lot of experience in Taekwondo, Kung Fu, Judo and Karate. I never stopped training until today. Until today I try to improve myself every day. In this channel we do a lot of martial arts, workout, exercise, tutorials. We do Nunchaku tutorial for beginners, and for advanced too we do flips, kicks, punches, and the most important, we do body workout, because if you don't have a strong body, you can't perform martial arts.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening?
Hit. That is for low hit. Medium hit. And that is for high hit. High hit. Low, medium, high. I must have my body open and my head back. Try to do this multiple times. Another type of hit is this. I take the one stick, I have my body open, my head back, this is how I hit multiple enemies. My advice is you start practicing with the foam nunchakus or the plastic nunchaku, because with this way you decrease the danger to hit your head while you're practicing. One more way to attack someone is like this. If someone holds a knife and is ready to attack, you hit first the knife and then you hit the head. how to trick someone. Keep practicing the first moves I will show you before. We don't want so much power because you may hurt your body. Thank you very much for staying with me until the end and watch my first self-defense lesson. Tell me below in the comments what are your decisions and your opinions. You want I continue these lessons? Is that useful for you? Don't forget to support my channel. I see you next time. Until then, stay healthy.